So carpet area brings you up with the most luxurious project of Andheri West, which is situated right in the hub of celebrities and businessmen. So this project is a G+26 story structure where you are getting 50 plus amenities. This is G+1 with a high street concept of commercials. We have 4 level of basement. We also have amenities on rooftop. 25th and 26th will have rooftop amenities, and this concept is of 3 BHK and 4 BHK more. So this is our 3 BHK, 1522 square feet of area. This space is our foyer space. As you can see, this space is a dining space where you can easily put 6 to 7 people can be seated over here. We can also check out the sofa space. This is a 400 square feet of area. This is a sofa or a dining living space where you can put your sofa over here. Beautiful sofa area will be provided, and connectivity wise we have mall and metro walkable distance. School, college, hospitals is again nearby, and we have Western Express Highway, Kokilaben Hospital and Juhu Beach within 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check out the balcony space. This beam won't be there in your balcony. This is just in a show flat. We will get a 75 square feet of running balcony concept which will be connected to your master bedroom. This is our master bedroom, where it is a 170 square feet of area. You have a wardrobe space where you can easily put clothes over here. This is your washroom attached, which have the fittings and everything which will be of American standard. Now let's check out our second master bedroom. This is our second master bedroom, which is again of 170 square feet of area. This also have a wardrobe space provided over here, as you can utilize the space. We have a full sliding window provided to you, which will have a beautiful open view concept for you. Now let's check out the kitchen. Now we have a very modern concept of open kitchen concept. This is L-shaped platform. As you can see, it's very spacious, 108 square feet of area. This kind of concept you can utilize, as this is an open kitchen concept. Check out the duct space. You can easily put a washing machine over here. And this is your spacious kitchen. Now let's check out the third master bedroom. This third master bedroom will be having a walking wardrobe concept. So this is a walking wardrobe concept, as you can see. This is your walking wardrobe concept. This is of 170 square feet. Again, you will have a wardrobe space in the walking wardrobe. This is your wash basin space. Fittings and everything will be like this. This is all about 3 BHK. We also have 4 BHK and Jodi options available, and the pricing for this starts from 3.99 CR onwards. For more details, you can connect.